Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we are going to do some Excel sheet work. But okay, this is our open Excel sheet. We need to add some this product efficiency line. So we need to set this value. This is fixed 25, and we need also to add two other columns here for the efficiency and line efficiency for those products. Okay, and after that we need to switch to this details and fill those data with what we have here, but those which has lesser efficiency or less than 25%. Let's run our bot. Yes, we need to close the Excel sheet. Okay, now it adds to the two-line efficiency here. And then it switch it to the other sheet details and fill those who are lesser than 25%. Okay, we have those function here. This is an Excel function, and this one is Excel function as well. And this function written here is f divided by e multiplied by 100%. Okay, a quick review about what we have done here. First of all, we have opened the Excel sheet as a desktop file and browsed and located our file path. But we did not check the sheet contains header here because we need to make some loop through the table, and the looping through will start from the first row. So if we are mentioning a sheet contains header, it will loop through the first row, which is the header here in our Excel sheet. Okay, because I got many problems regarding this. Second thing, I need to set this cell H1 with the total this H1 here, to set this value and that value as well. So set here and set here. This is the first step. The second step is to do we need first of all to get the total number of rows here for all the worksheet, because we will convert this worksheet to a table and then looping through this table. Okay, and I created one variable called it total rows. So I get the total number of rows and assign the output to the variable in total rows. And then I made my loop here starting from 2. And I made another counter or variable, it is number. But here I selected specific rows, not all rows, from row number 2 to the in total rows, and assign the output to the variable current record. Okay, the first thing I need to do here in my loop is to convert my number counter, which I'll increment it here to loop through all the data from the row number 2. And every time I need to convert this number variable to a string variable, because I will need this string variable here for entering this formula for Excel formula. So as I assigned here the counter number to string count, string counter as a string counter, and then I made my loop through here. I need to set a cell, which cell F, and when I concatenate it with the variable, my variable is string variable, so I'll click here and add my string variable. Okay, and then I need to set this value as 25 for all the rows here, so it's fixed. The next one is I need to make this formula E multiplied by F here as mentioned here. It is if equals C multiplied by D. If we came to C here, it will be E column, and D here is F column. So E multiplied by F. But I need to loop through from the second row here until the last row, so I'll assign it like this: E, then concatenate it with my string counter variable, and the same like F multiplied by str counter. Okay, and the same relationship, same formula here also for I. This is H divided by G multiplied by 100 to calculate the efficiency. And then after that, I made the number increment to increment each time one increment value. Okay, and step number 3 here, to switch to details, I need to switch here to the next Excel sheet. So I made the first step here. Before switching, I just wrote all the data for this Excel sheet to a new variable, a new table variable. Okay, and I labeled this table as table T, old efficiency table, and this is a type variable from the table, is a table type variable. Okay, and then I switch to sheet, and specified the sheet here. It is details, so I specified to a specific sheet its details. Okay, and the session is fixed from the very beginning. And then I looped through my variable, which has done here this variable after converting my Excel sheet to table variable. Then I loop through this table variable, and for each row in table here, I'll assign the current record table record to our current table row, and then I will check if, so I need to be a number condition, if this line efficiency is lesser than 25, so I will write this row into the table. This is what I have done here in the if condition. If this condition happens, I will write from data table. The table name, I made another new table here, table new efficiency table, and I will write each row if this condition happened here. So insert row in this table. Okay, and after that I will write all the table from data table, this new efficiency table, to my Excel sheet. Okay, so I specified here, this is the workbook here, or worksheet, and then I specify to start from E2 here, E2. Okay, and that's it. Assalamu alaikum.